Lexus built a wild new RZ-F Sport, and you're not allowed to have it yet. The new RZ600EF Sport Performance just launched with more power and aero tricks, but don't expect it to leave Japan anytime soon. Lexus launches the RZ600EF Sport Performance in Japan market. It blends the RZ450E bodykit with power and chassis upgrades. Dual motors make 420 horsepower with yoke steering and lower ride height. If you thought Lexus was finished updating the RZ, think again. After rolling out in Europe and North America, the refreshed model has now made its way to Japan, and it arrives with a surprise addition. Headlining the lineup is the new RZ600EF Sport Performance trim, blending aggressive aero elements with chassis enhancements and a healthy jump in power. The RZ600EF Sport Performance borrows its carbon fiber body kit from the limited-run RZ450EF Sport launched in 2024, itself inspired by the 2023 RZ Sport concept. That means a vented hood, a front splitter, wider fenders with integrated aero extensions, reshaped side skirts, a pronounced rear diffuser, and a two-piece rear wing that adds both visual drama and functional downforce. The special edition comes in two colors, Neutrino Gray and Hydrogen 2, each paired with black as a base, accented by exposed carbon fiber and blue detailing. It rides on 21-inch matte black Enkei alloy wheels, behind which sit larger 20-inch brakes and 6-piston aluminum monoblock calipers up front. Lexus also dropped the suspension by 20 mm, 0.8 inches, compared to the RZ550EF Sport, the base for this version. More significantly, the dual electric motors have been reworked to deliver a combined 420 horsepower, 313 kilowatts or 426 horsepower, making the 600E the most powerful RZ yet. It now surpasses the related Toyota BZ and Subaru Solterra in output, despite their shared architecture. With the extra power on tap, the RZ600EF Sport Performance accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 4.4 seconds. It uses the familiar 77 kilowatt-hour battery, which provides a driving range of up to 525 kilometers, 326 miles, on a full charge. Inside, the standout feature is the yoke-shaped steering wheel connected to Lexus's steer-by-wire system, paired with what the brand calls interactive manual drive, for a more involved feel. The interior also features blue accents on the dashboard and sports seats upholstered in ultrasuede, part of the F Sport Performance package. The RZ600EF Sport Performance will go on sale in Japan on March 2, 2026. Pricing is set at 12,165,000 yen, equal to $78,100 at current exchange rates, for the version in black with Neutrino Gray, and 12,440,000 yen, $79,900, for the more distinctive black and Hydrogen 2 finish. Interestingly, while Lexus limited the 2024 RZ450EF Sport Performance to just 100 units, the new 600E will have no such production cap. Availability in other markets remains unknown at this time. Besides the RZ600EF Sport Performance, Lexus has rolled out updates across the rest of the lineup, including the RZ350E version L, the RZ500E version L, and the RZ550EF Sport. All models benefit from increased power and improved efficiency, alongside a revised charging system. Range now varies from 579 kilometers to 733 kilometers, 360 to 456 miles, depending on the configuration. As before, the Lexus RZ is available in both single-motor and dual-motor setups, with battery capacities of 75 kilowatt-hours or 77 kilowatt-hours carried over from the previous model. The F Sport trim remains visually distinct, marked out by sportier design cues and the same yoke steering wheel linked to the steer-by-wire system. Pricing for the updated electric SUV start at 7,900,000 yen, $52,000, for the front-wheel drive RZ350E version L and rise to 9,500,000 yen, $63,000, for the all-wheel drive RZ550EF Sport. Buyers can also opt for the Performance Upgrade Boost Plus Interactive Manual Drive package at 220,000 yen, $1,500, which increases peak output and adds simulated manual control.